Now, we all know where the trajectory is going. We see where it's happening. We see what's happening with the industry. We know where it's going to head. But these guys, for the most part, have refused to embrace technology, refused to embrace e-commerce, and you can get why.
Look, I don't think there's one single big game changer, but one of the biggest challenges is definitely the continuing rapid cycles in the development of technology.
One of the biggest challenges in customers delivering on a customer experience promise, I think, is consistency. Consistency of leadership, consistency of message, consistency of communication over a multi-year strategy.
I actually think the role of the CCO is still pretty nascent, so we're still figuring out what a CCO does. It'd be really interesting at this conference to kind of ask for, the roles and responsibilities for everyone who's here, and I think you'll find there's quite a bit of difference. There'll be obviously some overlap. So in terms of the change, I think we've still got some solidifying to do to try and understand exactly what the role is and kind of how far it expands. Certainly I think what we're seeing now is finally an appreciation for the customer and the importance of the customer experience. So it would be no surprise to me to see kind of more power, I guess, in the hands of that CCO.
I think as we move more and more into the connected world, or sort of age of the customer as it gets referred to, the ability to connect or integrate with the actual way people are living their life and around the services around them becomes absolutely core.
The CMO should always be focused on the customer. What possibly will change though, from an organisational perspective, is the breadth of data and information and knowledge that they'll have at their disposal to influence the outcome of their marketing activities.